Hello esteemed colleagues, in this tutorial video we'll review candidates section. It can help you to find new employees and simplify the process. You can access this section either from home page or from left side menu. Left side represents list of current vacancies by rank. To publish a new vacancy, select necessary rank from available ranks and positions list. Then enter necessary values. Vacancy expiration date. It can be unlimited if you will tick unlimited checkbox. Publish vacancy checkbox will mark it accordingly. If it's not active, you can prepare vacancy without publishing. Select age range, either by entering values manually or using slider. Aliens passport checkbox adds that this passport is required. It is a passport issued to non-citizens in several countries. Add necessary certificates for this rank and citizenship. After, press Save button and vacancy will appear in the list. If you will click on rank, you will be able to see candidates in list if any. Also, you can copy unique link for all vacancies that you have in the company, which can be used on your website or sent for queuing agencies. Upon pressing this link, candidates will be prompted to select the rank they need and fill all necessary information. And after submitting, they will appear as candidates in a WAYL system. Bottom side represents a list of candidates for your selected rank. Green color means it is a candidate, blue promoted to applicant. You can use Show drop-down list to filter list by statuses. Left-click on candidate to view the details. If you are interested in this person, you can promote him to applicant by clicking Promote to Applicant button in right bottom corner of the screen. Applicants can be promoted to employees instead, directly appearing in crew list available for seagoing contract. Of course, at any status you can reject CV by pressing Reject button in left bottom corner of the screen. Hope this information was helpful. Subscribe to stay tuned and thanks for watching.